We are now here at Bayoki Sky, and this is our room. I have 2 beds and a TV, and this is the toilet. And we have a very nice view of the city in front of us because we are in the 44th floor. Mag-live tayo dyan. This is our luggage area. Gusto mo ba maglagay tayo ng luggage dito? O Chi, gusto mo dyan sa ano, lalagyan ng luggage? Okay lang din, oh. And this is our toilet. Ingkong Queenie, no? Sige lang eh, oh. With the bathtub. And this is our old envelope. This is my breakfast. Tomorrow ko na lang yung breakfast. Kasi today it is we are in the Ayutthaya market. It's a floating market but it's man-made. Ticket. Abo, belan. Baka ko be pala eh. Ay, no, yun na. Eh, gusto niya makipag-picture sa akin para magbayad ako. Ayaw ko nga, barat ako. That one?
Yeah, that's one.
Okay, we're going to our boat. Ano, papasok na ako? Sige, sige.
Oh, go, go. Get out.
Ayan. Okay. Okay. Oh, upo ka na dito. Keep balance.
Che, doon ka sa kabila, Che. Maton ka. Assist. Sino, Che? Assist mo. Oo nga. Dito kayo.
Doon kayo. Doon ka. Okay, dito ka na, Mylene. Dito ka na. Dito. Urong na kayo dito. Kayo mga lalaki na.
Urong.
Wala. Bili uli.
Ay, siya ang tangan. Ay, sabayan. Ano?
Urong na.
Hindi ako marunong lumangoy.
Ay, naku, hindi din ako lalangoy. Mabaho.
Floating ka lang.
Nakapastig pa ako. Wala ka na extra.
May crocodile pa.
Ay, ayoko na. Again. Magro-ro na daw kami. Gentle daw. Kaya may shower, hindi ata. That's our guide. Hi, this is Olivia's Adventure. Today we are here in Ayutthaya Floating Market. It's around 1.5 hours from Bangkok. And Ayutthaya Floating Market covers a vast area of approximately 70 acres and is regarded as the largest tourist attraction in Phra Nakhon, see Ayutthaya Province. In the aspect of cultural heritage conservation, it was established with the primary purpose to serve as both a tourist destination and an educational institution for the preservation of Thai arts and culture, retaining all aspects of Ayutthaya floating market from the past. These include traditional costumes, stunning architecture, unique culture and tradition, authentic amusement, folk performance, and simple lifestyle of Thai people. Ayutthaya Floating Market serves as a tourism hub for both domestic and international tourists to enjoy the pleasant environment and gorgeous scenery in the Thai style. While exploring the market, tourists can savor some tasty and delicious food or shop for souvenirs at various stores scattering around the market. Another unique feature of Ayutthaya Floating Market is the fact that each building or attraction was named after major markets in Phra Nakhon, see Ayutthaya Province, which enables visitors to know about the local products of each district and remember the names of various markets in Ayutthaya, such as Chao Phrom Market, Sina Market, and Nakhon Luang Market. After the boat ride, we tasted some food and did some shopping. And this market is different from the one yung madaming tao. Parang iba itong pinagdalhan sa amin. So, hindi masyadong matao. But, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!